Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody asked me today via email how I put the longitude and latitude, and this is a real map. I've taken out their name or their longitude just to protect their privacy. But I brought in a picture of the map off the site, and I put a house where I wanted, and then I put a house equals, like any name of their lake house or house, and then the longitude and latitude. But if you just go to that website, getlatlong.net, and you'll open this up, and if you hold down the shift button while you're scrolling along, you can zoom in. And I put a pin right there. It's accidentally, you can right click and remove that marker, right click and remove that marker. And I'm doing a park, but let's say if their house was right there, so we can zoom in. And if that was their house at the end of the driveway, I didn't need to put one there. You can right click and get rid of that one. But if you hold down the control button and click, put a marker right there, and then take a picture of this. Let's zoom back out. And it tells you right here the longitude and latitude of that pin. Well, when you right click on it, it will. There's the longitude. I wouldn't use these numbers. I would use the latitude and longitude numbers. That's 30 degrees, 26 minutes, 55 seconds. That's how those things are done. And this is a minus 98. So if you use that for your longitude and latitude, then bring that picture into Corel and size it to the size of your map. I've locked my map so I can grab this picture and resize it. And then with that house, or my mark, I can put my house wherever I want on it. So that's how I do it. There's a couple of websites, but this one's pretty easy. So just getlatlong.net, and you can get pretty accurate. And then put it right down there at the base of your map. The house equals the, Franklin's house, and 30, 98, whatever. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.